If you need to hold a confidential meeting with the student using Webex for any number of reasons, there are a few steps to follow to ensure the meeting is confidential. Please rest assured that Webex is a safe and secure platform for hosting these meetings, but due to tools we employ at CJUSD, namely GoGuardian, there are some steps the student will need to follow to ensure that the meeting is confidential. In this demonstration, we are showing how GoGuardian's classroom features can be used to view what is on any student's screen during instructional hours. While this can be a useful tool during instructional time, it can also allow for unwanted intrusion into what should be a confidential meeting between you and a student. GoGuardian's classroom tool also provides a direct link to what is on the student's screen, in this case the meeting, that can easily be clicked on to join the Webex meeting as another participant, providing full audio and video. This tool from GoGuardian is designed to see what is on a student's screen to ensure the student remains on track, which can run afoul of the desire to hold a confidential meeting. Fortunately, we have developed a quick workaround that eliminates the potential for intrusion into a confidential meeting by anyone using GoGuardian. The first step is to run Webex in kiosk mode on a Chromebook, which will prevent GoGuardian from having any visibility into your confidential meeting. The second step is to monitor the list of participants in your meeting and to lock the meeting once it has started. To start, the student will need to log off the Chromebook. Once logged off, the student should see an apps icon in the lower left corner of the login screen when they are at the login window. Clicking on Apps will show the various kiosk mode apps available on the Chromebook. There may be 3: the CASP testing app, an Illuminate secure browser, and a third option that begins with https://cjusd.webex.com or that simply says CJUSD Webex. Clicking on this will start Cisco's Webex in kiosk mode on the Chromebook, which will allow the student to participate in a Webex session and nothing else. The student will need to know the meeting ID and password as they will need to manually enter it. It is best if they write this information down prior to starting the meeting. Once the student has entered the meeting ID, they will be prompted for the password, then their name and email address. They may also be prompted for the meeting password one more time. Once the student has entered this information, they will be able to participate in the Webex meeting as they normally would, but since they have not logged into the Chromebook with their CJUSD account, the tools provided by GoGuardian are not loaded and no other CJUSD employee will be able to view what is on the Chromebook screen. We have made a quick tutorial video for students showing them how to perform this that you can share with them. With that first step complete, you will need to monitor the list of participants and lock the meeting to ensure the confidentiality of the meeting you are holding with the student. You need to open the participant panel in Webex meetings by clicking on the participants icon in the meeting controls. Once your meeting has started, please make sure that you and the student are the only participants, and then lock the meeting. You can lock the meeting by clicking on Meeting and selecting Lock Meeting. This will prevent anyone who may have obtained the meeting ID and password from joining your meeting. As always, if you have any questions or need any assistance, please visit helpdesk.cjusd.net. Thank you.